So the first thing we're going to do is prep the face with the mineral primer. I'm just going to apply one pump because a little goes a long way with this product, and I'm going to work this into my skin in circular motions moving outwards. Now we're going to go ahead and take that mineral rice setting powder to just neutralize the face with the YB2 powder brush. I'm just going to lightly dust this all over. I'm going to be using the Natural Loose Mineral Foundation in the shade Honey with my YB6 powder brush, and all I'm going to do is buff this on my face in circular motions from the outer edges going inward. Now I'm going to take that mineral rice setting powder for a second spin, and I'm going to apply it all over the face to set the makeup. Now I'm going to go in with the On Point Brow Defining Pencil, and I'm going to take that spoolie side and I'm going to start by brushing my brow hairs up and out. And then I always like to start by lightly underlining my eyebrows, and then I go ahead and I fill in any sparseness that I might see afterwards. To finish up my brows, I'm going to be using the Eye-Illuminating Duo with the matte side to go ahead and sharpen and define and clean under my brows. So I'm just going to lightly underline, and then all I'm going to do is just take my finger and I'm going to blend it out. And now I'm going to use the shimmer side to brighten and lift the brow bone. Now all that's left to do is to add your favorite eye combo with blush and highlight from your Weekender palette, and you're good to go.